Good morning. I'm just outside cleaning up after we've been redoing our bird houses and bird feeders. And I'm saving this glass that was in our old bird feeder, but it really could do with a tune-up. Now, this could be accomplished with this outdoor glove, but this is the one you do your car with, and I'm a bit of a car snob, so it only touches my car. So I'm going to use the blue glove, my favorite old does everything glove, well, almost. Walls, windows, woodwork. Just going to spray the glass because it's been outside for, I don't know, maybe 10 years. Give it a quick wipe down with the strong side because this does need some huge attention. I'm going to do both sides because this side's even worse. You just feel that stuff come off. Because Enyo is a feel. It will grab it. Now just be careful if you're doing the edges because this is glass and it will cut. So, and remember, the dirtier it is, the more water you use. So be careful around the edges because glass that's been cut with just a glass cutter is not ground and it will ruin your gloves. You have to be careful. You can take the soft side, the medium side, and take half of that water off and clean up the really bad stuff. Picks it right up. With the strong side, it's very strong, but it doesn't pick up any water. And we'll just give it a quick wipe down with our Enyo-Fill, which I shouldn't have unfolded. It's early. Not quite there yet. You can see where we need to get some attention. There, now I can use these again for another feeder we make. All right, you folks have a great day.